John. Mr. John, we discussed Gale's, tenders, which are pretty attractive and they're being rolled out. What about the other government projects? We have been hearing about delays because of COVID and also for because of the economic slowdown. So, what is the latest on the government projects? Are you seeing any delays here? And can you
So
name some of these projects too?
yeah, Ruchira, I've been an eternal optimist. When we go through a rough time, we always see the other side, the brighter side. So there's also always a coin called, you know, and at the end of the light, under the pipe, there's a light always, as we call it. So we did go through some rough times as we saw COVID and crude and meltdown and stuff. But yeah, it of course affected the construction. We primarily are talking of oil and gas pipeline construction. It did affect, but the public sector undertakings that we have in the country, they all regrouped and probably got back on track. And just as in when we were like taking the first hit of COVID, somewhere around April, May we got directives that they are continuing the construction, and that was a big relief because we had a few orders, and at that point of time, since the scenario was very hazy, the direction is shown by the PSUs, the oil companies like Indian Oil and BPCL and GAIL. Business was back to normal. Of course, there was a slowdown, but the business was moving in. And of course, the government took some initiatives there when they said they are going to look further on the infrastructure development, especially the gas grid. In fact, the Minister for Petroleum, I think a few days back, just mentioned about some 70,000 crores of investment in laying gas pipelines and crude pipelines. We have seen a lot of stress being put on development of the northeastern corridor, the eastern states, and right up to Assam and the 7 states there on the top. So there's a lot of shift which has happened, and yes, the PSU business has taken it forward. We are looking at multiple projects from GAIL for gas lines, from Indian Oil for LPG lines. These are all into construction phase, and it's all in the public domain. Uh, the good thing is that, yeah, a couple of years back, we had a slowdown in the domestic market, and there were not too many projects to talk about. But last year, probably 1 million tons. This year, another 1 million tons, and maybe going by the way the minister has been initiating action. I think 1 million ton every year would be a reality for us, and that's going to be a huge turner for oil and gas pipelines.